All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, are you potentially looking to get into the Medicare space? Or maybe you're already in the Medicare space just starting off? Well, today, look, we are going to be providing some strategy for you if you are new getting into the Medicare space, whether it's Medicare Advantage or Medicare supplements. But before we do that, please, if you're finding these videos helpful for your business, whether it be motivation or training or whatever it might be, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all of our new videos that we're going to be pushing out here in order to help you as a broker. All right, folks. So, look, let's talk about the Medicare landscape. And maybe you're entering into the Medicare landscape, or maybe you're thinking about entering into the Medicare landscape. It's a massive opportunity. Thankfully, Tidewater, we have been in the Medicare business for quite some time now, since the beginning, since Medicare Advantage started in '06. But it is a phenomenal opportunity, folks. So today's video, we don't want to talk about contracting or commissions or the opportunity. We're just going to give you some strategy on some things that you can be doing right now for your Medicare business as you start off. So let's fast forward a little bit. Let's say that you're about to, or you're already finished with your contracting. You've already done your certifications, and now you're like, now what do I do, right? So here's some things that we have seen that have worked for others. Because remember, folks, everybody has to start from scratch. Everybody starts at zero, right? So here's some things that you can do. The first thing we highly recommend is getting in touch with your local Medicare sales reps with the carriers. And here's why. There's a huge opportunity in Medicare, and sales reps are consistently looking for hungry brokers that want to get out there and help the community and serve seniors with their Medicare needs. Like anything else, relationships in this business, they're so valuable. And you might find yourself starting a relationship with a carrier rep, and that might not turn into anything immediately. But as things progress and maybe a carrier becomes more competitive, or an opportunity comes up, the carrier reps are going to remember the brokers that came to their events, that networked with them, that showed them that they're interested in offering their products. And that goes a really long way. So we highly encourage you, as soon as you certify and contract, start to connect with these reps. Now, here's what I will tell you. It's great to have relationships and to connect with these reps, but you also got to remember they're commission based as well. So you're going to want to make sure that you produce for them, because quickly they will find out if you're not going to produce for them, they're just not going to spend that much time with you. So take it seriously. Let them know that you recognize the opportunity and that you want to go, just you want to make it work. Okay. So connect with those local carrier reps. If you have somebody that you're working with on the Medicare side with an FMO, reach out to them. They can connect you with their local reps. If you need somebody, always feel free. You can text me, phone number here, 919-867-6301, and we can help connect you with some of those local carrier reps as well. The second thing, and I can only speak on this on our behalf, but the second thing is to really do a deep dive into the technology that is available to you. Folks, over the past couple of years, and we can really thank Integrity Marketing Group for this innovation, but the technology has really changed quite a bit. You look at things like the Medicare Center and the Lead Center. These platforms are really built all for you to be able to do everything in one place. So what we highly recommend is we highly recommend that if you don't have access to Medicare Center, or if you're using a different platform, we recommend that you spend time learning that platform, learn how to quote, learn how to do an enrollment, learn how to use the CRM, maybe learn how to use the Lead Center, but take time to learn it, because the last thing that you want to happen is when you go into a home to help Mr. and Mrs. Smith, you don't know how to use your enrollment technology. So be sure to spend time to learn the technology that is available to you. I say this because I went to a carrier meeting about a year ago, and the carrier rep was telling us that over 60% of the paper apps that are submitted to that carrier come in incorrect. And what that does, folks, is that causes a backlog of commissions, of processing, all of these different things. If you're using online technology, it's not only going to create a streamlined process for you, it's going to create a streamlined process for the carrier and your client, which means that they get coverage faster and you get paid faster. So spend time on these online enrollment tools. Okay. Here's the other thing with Medicare, the first 30 days of your client enrolling with you after their effective date is the most important. Make sure that you're staying in touch with that newly insured Medicare beneficiary because there's things that are going to come up like, did I get my insurance card? How has your experience been? Have you heard from the carrier yet? Do you have anybody that I can help just like I helped you? There's a lot of things that happen with a Medicare beneficiary within the first 30 to 45 days of their effective date. They're going to get their insurance card. They're going to go to the doctor for the first time. They're going to go to the pharmacy for the first time and fill that prescription. These things typically happen very early. And if you look at carriers like Humana, they even have a 30, 60, 90-day follow-up protocol because they know that those first 90 days are so important to that experience the senior has for their Medicare. A couple of the things that you want to strategize on, of course, having a marketing plan. How are you going to get in front of people? That could be whether you want to do it grassroots or you want to do it digitally or maybe purchasing leads. So map that out. Create yourself a marketing plan, whether that be how much money you're going to have to invest into your business for marketing or how much time you're going to have to invest to get out into your community and let folks know that you're now offering Medicare. What we have also seen is we have seen a pretty large amount of life insurance agents get into the Medicare space. And our recommendation for that is to leverage the low-hanging fruit. It is perfectly compliant for you to reach out for your current life insurance customers. They have to have a policy with you, and you can reach out to them and let them know that you're now offering Medicare, and you can help them with that. One of the services that we can help you with on that is we can create some customized marketing material for you, marketing collateral that you can hand out, that you can email. You can even post it on your Facebook, letting your clients know now that, hey, I helped you with your life insurance or your annuities or whatever it might be, and now I'm offering Medicare. So take advantage of that low-hanging fruit if you're a life insurance agent getting into the Medicare space. So look, folks, we really hope that these strategies helped you. We've seen a lot of different things that work in a lot of different markets. And we wanted to provide this training to you because after you take AHIP and complete your contracts, or maybe you haven't even gotten to that step, it's kind of hard to know, okay, well, where do I go from here? And really, it's about establishing relationships and establishing that plan of attack of how you're going to get in the community and let people know what you did. So, folks, as always, if you need a business partner on the Medicare side, we've been doing this for a long time. We have all different contract levels available. So please feel free to reach out. You can text me at 919-867-6301 as you see on this video. You can also email me, mike@tidewatermg.com. Please like, subscribe, comment to our videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that you found this helpful.